This is the Number Line LegiLiner. It's a rolling stamp that uses refillable smudge-resistant ink, and what it does is it lets you add a number line to math worksheets. I'm a school-based OT and I work with a lot of kids that struggle with handwriting and organization. And this lets me or the teacher or the student add these supports without a ruler or without remaking the sheet. You can use these the traditional way of a number line, or I use them to work on spacing between letters. So you can see that there's adequate space between the letters. This is just kind of a good visual prompt. The stamps don't always roll perfectly straight, and sometimes there's some little extra on the line, but I think that they make up for that in the fact that they're so easy to use in the moment. It's a simple way to individualize your classroom writing work, and I think that every classroom needs one of these. I highly recommend them and will definitely be buying them again.